Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making egg rolls, so keep watching and let's do this. The first step is to boil the eggs. In a boiling water, I will add in eggs and allow it to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Once that is done, I will transfer the eggs in a very cold water, allow it to sit for 3 minutes. Next, I will peel the eggs, pat it dry and set aside for later use. The next step is to measure in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I will mix well to combine and add 100 grams of butter. I will mix and add 1 tablespoon of minced onion for flavor. For my wet ingredients, I'm using 1 cup of milk. You can also use water. I will add gradually until I achieve the right texture. Once that is done, I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, I will transfer the dough to a work surface and divide it like this. Next, I will take one of the dough, roll it out like this and place 1 boiled egg. Close it as demonstrated here. I will continue the process until I am done. Once that is done, the next step is to start frying. In a preheated oil, I will drop in a piece of dough to make sure that the oil is hot enough to fry the egg rolls. Once the oil is hot enough, I will drop in the egg rolls and allow it to fry. Don't forget to stir now and then so that it doesn't burn on one side. I'm going to allow it to fry until golden brown. And don't forget to fry on a medium heat so that it will cook through. Once that is done, I will scoop it out and place on a paper towel. I will continue the process. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!